While industrial psychology focuses on the mechanics of work, organizational psychology focuses on its human heart. It examines how people experience work, how they are motivated, how they relate to leaders and colleagues, and how organizational culture shapes behavior. One of the central concerns of organizational psychology is job satisfaction. Job satisfaction reflects how individuals feel about their work and work environment. It is influenced by factors such as meaningful tasks, autonomy, recognition, and supportive relationships. Research consistently shows that satisfied employees are more engaged, less likely to leave, and better equipped to handle workplace stress. Closely related is organizational commitment, the degree to which employees identify with and feel loyal to their organization. Commitment is not simply about staying in a job, it reflects emotional attachment, perceived obligation, and alignment with organizational values. High commitment fosters cooperation and resilience, especially during periods of change. Motivation is another cornerstone of organizational psychology. Motivation explains why people initiate, sustain, or disengage from work-related behaviors. Organizational psychologists distinguish between extrinsic motivation, which involves external rewards such as pay and promotions, and intrinsic motivation, which arises from interest, purpose, and personal fulfillment. While extrinsic incentives matter, intrinsic motivation is strongly associated with creativity, persistence, and well-being. Leadership plays a decisive role in shaping organizational life. Organizational psychology examines leadership styles, power dynamics, and influence processes. Effective leaders do more than issue directives. They create climates of trust, psychological safety, and shared purpose. Poor leadership, by contrast, is one of the strongest predictors of burnout, conflict, and disengagement. Work rarely occurs in isolation, making group dynamics a key area of study. Teams can amplify strengths, distribute expertise, and foster innovation, but they can also generate conflict, diffusion of responsibility, and social loafing. Organizational psychology explores how communication patterns, role clarity, and norms influence team effectiveness. Underlying all of these processes is organizational culture, the shared values, beliefs, and assumptions that guide behavior. Culture is often invisible, yet it powerfully shapes what is rewarded, tolerated, or discouraged. Organizational psychologists study how cultures develop, how they reinforce norms, and how they can be intentionally reshaped to support ethical and inclusive practices. In contemporary workplaces, organizational psychology is increasingly concerned with issues such as diversity, inclusion, work-life balance, and employee well-being. These concerns reflect a broader recognition that organizations are social systems, not just production units. Closing integration. Together, industrial and organizational psychology offer a comprehensive framework for understanding work. Industrial psychology ensures that selection and evaluation are fair and effective. Organizational psychology ensures that the social environment supports motivation, ethics, and human dignity. As workplaces continue to evolve, the insights of IO psychology remain essential for building organizations that are not only productive, but humane.